New from Christie's, the #1 contractor preferred brand. MitreBond Construction Adhesive. Christie's MitreBond Construction Adhesive is a rapid set adhesive that will join and repair molding, trim, baseboards, balances, rails, end strips, and more. The result is a strong bond without the need for clamping and without overspray or excess adhesives. A must for any toolbox, MitreBond will join most materials including wood, glass, steel, and plastic. MitreBond works fast. Once activated, the adhesive sets in less than 10 seconds. The MitreBond Activator pen makes application clean and precise without the excess mess of a spray and eliminated the need for clamps, screws, or fasteners. From bonding building materials to repairing a broken tool to fixing a damaged dashboard and much more, MitreBond's versatility makes it a must for any toolbox or glove box. To bond your materials, first apply a small amount of MitreBond adhesive to one piece. With the Activator pen, apply a single stroke to the other piece. The pen provides a precise, clean application not possible with a spray applicator. Bring both surfaces together and hold for 10 to 15 seconds to set. In addition to MitreBond, Christie's offers a full line of construction adhesives with the Red Hot Vinyl family of products. To find out more about MitreBond Construction Adhesive and any other Christie's products, visit us online at tchristy.com.